With Bitcoin back up above 100,000, yeah, yesterday it was at $98,000. Guys, the volatility is real right now, and it all has to do with Iran and the United States and Israel and all of that. But the good news is we have some very strong headlines out there, some very strong catalysts that should inspire some buying. Now, it may not inspire buying because there's so much fear in the market. We're sitting at a level of 37 fear right now. Back down off of the greedy territory into fearful territory, and it's causing a lot of people to sit on the sidelines. Well, it will pass them by. There's nothing we can do. If you are fearful, if you are too fearful to buy, it is going to pass you by. However, those of us that are willing to accumulate, like all of these institutions, we are going to see massive gains. We're going to be talking about it in this video. We're going to be talking about some ways that Bitcoin can increase its utility. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I just want to paint the picture that we're seeing right now. Bitcoin, very volatile. Moving from 98,000 yesterday back up to 102, back down to 101.6 at the time that I'm recording this video. But the overall news, right? The sentiment is negative. But if we look at the news right now, Pompliano's ProCap raises over $750 million and goes public via SPAC as Bitcoin Treasury. U.S. investor strikes $1 billion merger to create Bitcoin Treasury Company. Once again, Treasury Company being created. Bitcoin is even less volatile than some of the stocks out there, showing because of the Iran-Israel conflict, data is showing. But if we come in and we look at this, right? We have got companies being created right now. Billions of dollars in companies being created simply to buy Bitcoin. And if we look at that, guys, we've got to understand the goal here. The goal is not for these companies to go out there and invest billions and lose billions. The goal is for these companies to go out there and invest in the future. These companies truly believe that Bitcoin could one day be $1 million+ per coin. And if they can accumulate it at the current price of 100,000, they're going to 10x their money. They're going to be sitting on tens of billions, and some companies, hundreds of billions of dollars, simply because they were willing to buy Bitcoin. Now, with that, I continue to buy Bitcoin. You guys can go through and you read all the articles right now. Now, I am choosing to ignore some of the shorter term catalysts out there, and I am looking at tokens like Bitcoin Bull. If you guys have not seen Bitcoin Bull, this token is going to reward investors in Bitcoin for buying Bitcoin Bull. But not only that, we can see the underlying token increase in value as well. With 6 days and 19 hours left in its ICO, it's already raised $7.3 million. It's currently sitting at a price of 0.258 cents. And if you're interested, you can buy with crypto or buy with card. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet, so it's completely up to you. But you guys got a link to download Best Wallet if you need it. From there, you type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours. One of the reasons I'm interested in buying Bitcoin Bull is obviously because this token can rise in value with such a low market cap. It could really benefit from some bullish sentiment. But if you buy Bitcoin Bull, you hold it in Best Wallet, and you buy during the community sale, you're going to be receiving not only token burns to make the token more scarce, but Bitcoin airdrops at $150,000 Bitcoin and $200,000 Bitcoin. And then when Bitcoin reaches $250,000 per coin, Bitcoin Bull airdrops. Now, like I said, you do need to hold Bitcoin Bull in Best Wallet. These guys needed a multi-chain wallet to partner with. They decided to partner with Best Wallet, and therefore they can facilitate those airdrops to your Bitcoin address in Best Wallet. You also need to buy during the community sale. So the amount that you purchase or the amount of your Bitcoin airdrop is going to be determined by the amount that is bought during the community ICO. These guys have, I believe it's like 12,000, 9,700 followers out on their X account. They're doing a fantastic job of not only growing, but getting some very good engagement out on their X account as well, which really helps with marketing, which really helps with demand, and which really helps with sentiment. Because guys, right now, Bitcoin Bull has a strong bullish sentiment. You can go out there and you can stake for 55% annualized interest if you want. If you believe in Bitcoin Bull longer term, or you simply want to hold to make sure that you get those airdrops, it might be a good idea to stake. If you're a short-term trader, clearly don't stake, but nonetheless, it could be a very good option to earn an additional 55% annualized interest for staking your tokens. With Bitcoin in the news every single day, with Bitcoin volatility driving higher as uncertainty is floating around in the market, this could be an excellent time to buy as others are fearful. I mean, even Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. And we are sitting at a level of fear, ready to accumulate. Let me know what you guys are ready to do down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.